Our style is the problem-solving style, and it's also called divergent. It involves input, reflection, choice, and response. And there's no prescribed answer, so the kids can have several different answers to try to solve the problem. This solution could be used in individual, partner, or group settings. There's 5 different stages. First, you present the problem, then you determine procedures, and you experiment and explore, you observe, evaluate, and discuss, and then finally you refine and expand. Problem solving is useful in teaching concepts, relationships, strategies, and proper use of skills for specific solutions. We're going to show you an example of how we would use the problem solving style.
The problem the teacher gave the students was to figure out 2 different ways to fit 3 people in the square with only 2 feet touching the ground. Here's what the students came up with. You put 1, I'll put 1, and then you get another. Okay, here. Hold me, jump in. And now we pick up like a flamingo. 1, 1, 2, 3.
So we only had 2 feet.
That's another way we can do it.
What if we try to get on both of our backs? You get on her back and then I get on your back. See if it works.
That doesn't work. I'll put both mine in. That way I'm steady and balanced. You jump on me, on my feet, with your 2 feet. I'll hold you, and then you jump on.
Maybe she should get on my back first.
Her back. Okay, yeah. Then you get on my feet, and I'll hold you both. Yay. Oh, we didn't get to 3.
Okay, hang on. We'll do it one more time.
Do it one more time.
We're coming as soon as we get on there.
1, 2. We're not steady enough. 1, 2, 3.
Yay, it worked!
Okay, that's 2 different ways that we were able to solve the problem. We tried one and it didn't work. And the teacher's role in this is an advisory role where you're paying attention to what they're doing, the steps they're taking, you're answering questions that they have, you're helping them if they need your help, and commenting on what they're doing along the way. And the feedback that you're giving them should be encouraging. Saying encouraging things will help them instead of making them want to give up on the process and just quit working on the problem. And the progression that we took was that one student would start, and then you add another student, and then you add another student, instead of all 3 students trying to jump in at once or trying to do it other ways. But that's also part of the problem-solving strategy, is that you can try different ways to see what happens. And the way that the teacher can reflect on the problem-solving style that she used was to look over what they did, kind of take notes on how much time it took them, take notes on which students were kind of taking the lead, which ones were sitting back, which ones were really trying instead of just jumping in and not really having a plan. And the most important thing about the problem-solving style is that you give students a problem that hasn't been solved before. They need to have something new that they can work through and come up with new ideas for. And that's our problem-solving style.